Welcome to the course of Metrology and Measurement. Today I shall discuss about the lecture 2 of module 2, and where I shall discuss about the various standards. But before that I shall discuss about the last lecture where I have discussed what the linear metrology includes. It includes the line and end standard, or the discussion about standard and the various vernier scales and its least count, vernier calipers or slide caliper discussion, and the micrometer discussion, height and depth gauges, and also it will consist of radius and filler gauges and some reference plane. Reference plane is very important from metrology measurement point of view, and also the slip gauges and ringing of slip gauges. These are also important in linear metrology. So today I am going to discuss about standard. And in linear metrology, before I go to the standard discussion of standard, I have already discussed that any unknown quantity or the measurement should be compared with a quantity which is calibrated with respect to the standard. So if you want to measure a length with a scale, normal scale, the scale is already graduated with a meter standard. So what is standard? To know the standard, you have to have idea about this lecture. That is the what is SI standard. There is SI standard, or there are different standard for international standard is mass, length, time, current, and temperature. These are basic units that I have already discussed. That is mass in kg, length in meter, time is second, current in ampere, and temperature is in degree Kelvin. So material standard, here material standard means these standard are made of some particular material. It is giving year, 1 year or 1 meter. And wavelength standard, nowadays in modern measurement, material standard are replaced by the wavelength standard due to the wear and tear of the material and the linear coefficient of linear thermal expansion of the material. The error with this material standard are incorporated in the measurement system. So also to keep this material standard accurately, or to maintain it, its cost becomes very high. That is why wavelength standard are replacing the material standard in modern measurement. Now line and end standard. Line and end standard are those standard which measure the distance between two marking, and end standard are those standard which measure the distance between two flat surface. So this is the main difference between line and end standard. Apart from this, there are other differences are also there, because line standard has no datum surface inbuilt in this instrument, but end standard has the datum surfaces inbuilt in its structure. Now next, linear metrology, standard of international standard meter. In the earlier days, that is in 1793, it was assumed that 1 meter is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 9 of meridian passing through Paris between North and South Pole. But such kind of complex measurement is not easier to imply, and for that in 1960, but before 1960, material standard were used. I shall discuss this material standard later, but in 1960 this material standard is also replaced with the help of wavelength standard, that is it was 1650763.73 wavelength of the radiation corresponding to the transition of krypton 86 atom in vacuum. But still there are some more convenience. For more convenience, in 1983 1 meter is defined as the distance travelled by light in vacuum in 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 8 or 1 by 299792458 seconds. So this type of modification, these types of changes in standard happened during the last few years. So this to know this standard and how to use this standard is important. Now next, SI units are for time. So SI units for time is, earlier it was 1 by 86400 of a day of 24 hours 60 minutes 60 seconds. But with the modification in 1956, it was assumed that 1 by 31556925.9747 of a tropical year for 1900 January 0 at 12 hours ephemeris time. But these were more complex. So that is why currently in 1967 it is the duration of 9192631770 periods of the radiation corresponding to the transition between two levels of cesium 133 atom. So if you convert all the standard in wavelength standard, then it will be easier to maintain this standard. That is why in modern era this standard, line standard and time standard are replaced by the radiation standard or wavelength standard. Thank you.